Calculus class. The topic for today is find the limits of the polynomial and rational function. Okay, our problem is evaluate the limit of 6x minus 9 when x approach to 4. Let's review some ideas. For instance, if fx is a polynomial, and 8 is a real number, then the limit of fx as x approach a equals to the value of x of fx of here of fx of x, actually here of x equals 8. So the limit, this use this letter, this color, limit here, limit is actually the formula f of x equals f of 8 when x approach to 8. Actually, that formula is there. All these words mean this formula. Okay, it's the concept before to solve this problem. Okay, now let's solve our first problem. Okay, I wanna make a couple of problems. This one here, the function here, the function in this case is 6x minus 9. All right, it's a polynomial. It's a polynomial. It's a polynomial. So you can compute it its limit as x approach the function at what? At -4. At -4. All right, so easy. So now just write limit of 6x minus 9 is equals 6 times -4 minus 9. So when x, of course, approach to -4 here. So this is equals 6 times -4 is -24 minus 6. So you simplify here, it's -33. It is the solution of this problem. All right, let's try another problem. Let's write a different problem here. Let's write limit of -2t plus 6 when t approach to 7. Right? So this is gonna be different than here. It's gonna be here, the function is -2t plus 6 and then at 7 here. Very easy. So the solution, limit of -2t plus 6 will be equals here it's equals -2 times 7, all right, plus 6 when t here approach to 7. So this is equals -2 times 7 is -14. -14. Negative 14 plus 6. So this is equals negative 14 plus 6 is negative 8. So right here is the solution, right? That's the limit. Very simple class. So thank you so much.